Yo, what's up? I'm Sterling, aka Boyblk, your stream tech wizard. And today, you guys, I'm gonna bring you guys a review on the one and only Snowball microphone. The Blue Yeti Snowball. This is actually the Blue Yeti Snowball Ice Edition, the Black Ice Edition, which honestly I think is a great play on words. First things first, just want to get that out the way. Shouts out Blue. That's pretty good marketing, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, we're gonna be reviewing the Snowball Blue Yeti today, you guys. You guys definitely have seen this mic around on different lists and different reviews and stuff like that. And you may recognize this microphone from my very own Stream Tech starter kit. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, make sure you guys click on this link right here. It'll take you straight to my Stream Tech starter kit. I put together a starter kit for anyone trying to get started on streaming for under $200. So make sure you guys go check that out. But before that, let's jump into this video because I want to answer the question: is the Blue Yeti Snowball microphone actually the best starter microphone for anyone trying to start a content creation journey? We finna find out. So, what exactly are you gonna get inside of the box whenever you open up the Blue Yeti Snowball microphone, right? I keep wanting to call it the Blue Yeti, but whenever you open up the Blue Snowball Ice microphone, whenever you open this box up, what are you gonna get? Well, first of all, you're gonna get the stand. This is a nice, small 3-prong stand. It's obviously not the greatest stand in the world, but I'll talk to you guys about how we can fix that later on in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. But it is a really solid stand. It is made of complete metal, and I feel like it's a very durable stand. And if it doesn't work exactly for your Snowball Blue Yeti, for the setup that you have in particular, I definitely know that with the standard threading on this microphone, you could probably use it for something else. The size of it, the circumference is a little big for something like a webcam, but I'm sure you could find other uses for it whenever you decide to get the extra accessory that I want to talk to you guys about later on in this video. You're also going to get with the box, you're going to get this USB cable. Now this USB cable is literally the same USB cable that you could use for a printer. Or actually, this is not a printer cable. This is actually, I believe, I want to say USB-C, but it is the same cable you would use for like a PS4 controller. So this actually, the Snowball Ice, the Black Ice edition, actually comes with a pretty long cable. Unlike the regular Snowball, which I've heard comes with a pretty short cable. But you can also enhance this or customize this part of the microphone if you do decide to, due to the fact that it is a very available cable. You can find these on Amazon in different colors. Maybe you want a braided cable or something like that to more fit your setup. You can definitely change that up and integrate that into your setup. And finally, you're going to get the Blue Yeti. I keep saying Blue Yeti, dude. You're gonna get the Snowball mic. You're gonna get the Blue Snowball mic. This is literally what you buy, you know what I'm saying? You get the stand, you get the cable to attach it, but this is the microphone, and this is the microphone we're gonna be reviewing in today's video. So next I wanna talk about the actual stats of the Blue Snowball microphone. So you guys, you know what I'm saying, we got the microphone, we wanna know what this baby can really do. First of all though, speaking of stats, this is going to run you about $49.99 USD on Amazon. If you guys are interested in this or you want to check it out, of course, for you guys, I have all the links down below. You guys can click on those links. It'll take you straight to Amazon, exactly where you need to go to pick up this microphone. I also have down below for you guys the full Stream Tech starter kit list down there. So if you want to pick up this microphone or anything else that you may see on the Stream Tech starter kit video, I'll have that all there, all the way down there for you guys in the description. So yeah, like I said, let's talk about what this microphone can do. So the Blue Yeti is another mic that I'm not talking about right now, but the Blue Snowball mic that we're talking about and reviewing right now is going to have a cardio pattern on this microphone. It is a condenser mic. It only has one condenser pod in it, one condenser pod in there, and it was going to have a cardio pattern on the microphone itself. Now you're probably wondering, like, what the heck does a cardio pattern even mean, right? So that literally means if I'm talking into the microphone, it's only going to pick up here, right? So it's only gonna pick up this part right here. It's not gonna pick up anything here. It's not gonna pick up anything in the back of the microphone. It's only going to pick up from this it's like a polar, so like only one direction, right? So when I'm speaking into the microphone, that's exactly where it's going to pick up the audio. And so what that allows for this microphone to do is help eliminate a lot of background noise and a lot of extra noise that may be going on in your recording environment, whether it be in your office or wherever you record or do content creation or live stream as well. The stats on this is also going to be a 44 kilohertz by 18-bit recording quality. Now this is a little different from the Blue Snowball mic that I talked about in my Stream Tech starter kit, but this is actually a little cheaper, I believe, or they may be the same price by now. I'll have to double check on that for you guys. But either way, they're both very affordable, and the quality of the Blue Yeti Ice microphone is still good, and it's going to give you that nice crisp sound that you're really looking for. As all microphones, you can go back and edit your audio and enhance it with EQs and compressors and stuff like that. But having a raw audio that's already really crisp is gonna make that a lot easier. So like the quicker you can get to a quality product, the more quality products you'll put out. Because if you can make a lot of quality content really fast, you're gonna just have a huge library and repertoire of quality content, which is gonna help you grow your channel or do whatever you wanna do with your channel or your streaming and stuff like that. And one thing that I did touch on in the Stream Tech starter kit video, like I said, you guys definitely should go check that whole video out as well, is that people will not forgive bad audio. So hearing people's audio, having better audio, whether it be making videos or live streaming, can actually enhance the visuals of your stream or of your video or whatever you're making. And so because of that, your audio is definitely going to be that #1 priority whenever you're upgrading or buying new equipment for your setup and stuff like that. So having the Blue Snowball microphone at the price point that it is at and the quality that it produces, honestly, it's a go-to, and that's probably why you see it in a lot of videos, and you've probably seen it in a lot of other lists as well. Now, another great feature about the Blue Snowball microphone is the fact that it is such a ready-to-play, really plug-and-play microphone. With this microphone, unlike something like the Rode microphone that I'm using right now, with this Rode microphone, it does have a very good quality, and I love this microphone, but you do have to have an external power source to power this because it requires phantom power and all other stuff. So I had to install drivers for my audio interface, and then I had to have phantom power to power the Rode microphone to talk to you guys right now. But with the Blue Snowball microphone, you don't need anything like that. You actually don't even need drivers for this thing. This thing literally just plugs into your computer, and OBS or whatever software you use for recording or streaming will recognize it instantly. So, like I said before, the Blue Yeti Snowball microphone can be enhanced by picking up a couple of things. One of the main issues that I've seen people have with this microphone is the like popping sounds that you get whenever speaking directly into the microphone by pronouncing things like P and stuff like Peter Piper picked some Pikachus and then went to the Poke Sitter, you know what I mean? Stuff like that. People get that really harsh, airy sound in the microphone or like in your ears, especially if people are listening to your content or watching your content with headphones. This can be a major issue. And also, it may be a major issue, but it's a very easy fix. One way you can fix this is simply by turning the microphone here, and that's why I suggest getting a microphone arm, is so it allows you to have that control. But you can change the position of the microphone where it is more on the side of your mouth, and it'll still pick up all of your vocals going this way. With the frontal cone of this microphone, will still pick up all your audio very clear without getting all that extra air popping into the microphone itself. And another really easy and affordable way to fix this is by picking yourself up a pop filter. Now, if you don't know what a pop filter does, it's a silk or a nylon screen, depending on the people who make it. But most of them, I believe, are silk. And the silk screen, what it does is it will stop the air from reaching the microphone. So you have your microphone here on your microphone arm that you picked up, so that way you can adjust, where the microphone is. And you have your pop filter set right here in front, and that will stop a lot of the air from getting to the microphone, preventing all those like harsh P sound. So you can almost see it like this, like you can almost see the pop filter itself kind of moving like a subwoofer would, because it's trapping a lot of that air, preventing it from getting to your microphone. And also another great way to upgrade your Snowball microphone is by picking yourself up a microphone arm. Now, with the microphone arm, not only are you gonna get that cool like streamer look that I like to say, I talked about this in my streamer starter kit. So not only are you gonna get that cool like streamer look, but you're also going to be able to control where the mic is placed, right? So you can have it closer to your face, you can have it farther away from your face, you can have it up here. Some people like to do like the studio look where they have it like up here, but the mic is like this way. So you have the mic like this, you know what I'm saying? Whatever you want to do. That's the cool thing about microphone arms, is you can adjust this however you want. And another cool thing about microphone arms, and I have a very affordable one in the Stream Tech starter kit, which I have linked down below for you guys, is that with the Snowball microphone, you don't have to buy a very, very expensive one. Now, there are some pretty expensive ones like the Blue Compass microphone arm, and I believe Shure has a really good microphone arm as well, but those are gonna run you closer to $100, where this microphone arm that I have right here is actually the one in the Stream Tech starter kit, and that's gonna run you $17.99. A huge difference, especially whenever the Snowball microphone is not a heavy mic at all. So those bigger microphone arms are almost going to be too powerful for a mic like this. So picking up that $17.99 microphone arm is definitely the way to go with this microphone. So, is the Blue Snowball microphone the best starter mic for anyone starting their content creation journey? It may not be the absolute best, because best and stuff like that is kind of subjective, but I will say it is one of the best microphones for anyone looking to start their content creation journey, whether that be live streaming or whether that be making videos on YouTube. Like I said, this is a good gold standard starting out for anything like that. Also, another great thing about this microphone is whenever you do upgrade your audio, because don't forget, audio is the most important aspect of any content and stuff like that. So you are going to be upgrading your microphone first, or you should, if you follow, so the steps and tips that we're giving you guys on this channel. Whenever you do upgrade this microphone, it won't be something you just throw in the trash. It is a microphone you can use still, whether that be for a secondary microphone. If you decide to start something like a podcast or anything like that, it is still a very utilized and a very strong microphone, even whenever upgrading your audio equipment. So that is my review on the Blue Snowball Black Ice Edition microphone. Like I said, guys, this is a very strong microphone and one of the best microphones for anyone starting their content creation journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this video did help you guys out today, please hit that like button, guys. And if you like the channel, make sure you guys consider subscribing. It'd be great, to be honest. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by April of 2021. So want to see if that can happen. So we're setting a challenge, seeing who we can bring it forth. Like I said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm Sterling, aka Boyblk, your stream tech wizard. And also, don't forget, if you are interested in the Blue Yeti Snowball, you might be interested in the full Stream Tech starter kit. So make sure you guys go check that out down below. I have all the products in the description, and you can also check out the full video where I talk about those products as well. I'll have everything for you guys, as always, linked down below. Make sure you guys also follow me on social media at Boyblk_, where I talk about tech, I talk about anime, and pretty much everything else I love in this world. So again, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you did subscribe, thank you so much. If you didn't, thanks for stopping by. And it's nice to see you. It's nice to see you. Maybe it's the first time, maybe it's not. Who knows? But like I said, I'm Sterling, aka Boyblk, your stream tech wizard, signing out.